Stevie! Today is Cinco de Mayo 2012, and here's baby Stevie and his little co-sleeper. I think it's a little bit irritated. Hi! You're upside down, baby! You're upside down! Hi! Hi! What happened? What happened? What's the matter? Are you gonna turn over? You gonna turn over? You can't? You can't turn over? What happened? You can turn over, can't you? Why are you crying, baby? Don't cry. What's that? Go get your monkey. Go get your monkey. Go get the monkeys over there. Look. Look at the monkeys. Look at the monkeys.